For too long, businesses have been drowning in numbers, either lost in spreadsheet or stuck with outdated reports that tell them nothing useful. We decided that's not good enough. So, we built this course that gives you hand-on mastery on data analytics and BI tools. You'll learn to clean data sets, create powerful dashboards, and extract insight that actually drives decisions. Master data analytics and business intelligence tools with hands-on training on Power BI, Snowflake, and Apache Spark ML. In just 3 days, you'll gain practical skills to transform data into insights. Build interactive reports and dashboards with Power BI. Manage cloud data warehousing using Snowflake. Optimize SQL queries for better performance. Develop machine learning models with Apache Spark ML. Apply real-world data analytics techniques for decision making. On day 1, you will explore Microsoft Power BI, mastering data visualization, modeling, and interactive dashboards. On day 2, you will dive into Snowflake, covering cloud data warehousing, data management, and SQL queries. Finally, on day 3, you'll work with Apache Spark ML, learning to build and train machine learning models for real-world applications. Also, basic knowledge of data management and analysis is recommended to get the most out of this course. While others drown into data chaos, you can master the method. This is your chance, so register today.